Epilation and wax both remove hair from the root. But did you know that the way they do it is different? Before waxing, let your visible hair grow for at least 7 days. The wax sticks to hair and skin. Pulling removes the hair but lifts the skin as well. With Braun Silk-épil, you need to let your visible hair grow for only about 2.5 days. Tiny tweezers only pull out the hair and don't affect your skin directly. For weeks of smooth skin, not just days. First thought about epilation. Ouch. Let's face reality, epilation causes pain. The perception of this is different for everyone, especially the first time. Why? Because it plucks the hair from the root. The good news is that pain is reduced with regular use. And there is more you can do. Epilate with short hair. The ideal hair length is between 0.5 and 5 millimeters. Longer hairs may need more passes with more discomfort. Using a wet and dry epilator in the bathtub with warm water reduces discomfort. Braun epilators feature massage rollers that help to make epilation more comfortable. For weeks of smooth skin, not just days.
We wanted to create a shaver that captures more hair. The problem was contact. The shaver needs to be in a constant contact with the skin to efficiently capture hair. The research helped us understand why and where hair were missed. We had to rethink the entire form and mechanics of the shaver. So we separated the shaver head from the body and created a new drive system. This allowed the head to move in all directions, back and forth, up and down, side to side. So we created the 360 Flex, a fully flexible head giving optimal contact and easily adapting to the contours of your face and neck, and resulting in a smooth shave even in tricky areas. The Series 7 with 360 Flex.
Braun, designed for what matters.
Hi there, Steph from GilletteLabs here to tell you a bit about the heated razor and how you can get your best shave with it. This razor is the first in the world designed to give you the experience of a hot towel shave with every stroke. It delivers this with this warming bar right here. To turn it on, you just press this button and it heats up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit in less than a second. It will automatically heat to the high temperature setting, denoted by this orange light. To change it to the lower heat setting of 109 degrees Fahrenheit, you just press and hold this button here, and the light changes to yellow. If you turn off the razor, it will automatically heat to whatever temperature it was on previously when you turn it back on. The warming bar houses 4 intelligent heat sensors to make sure it stays consistently at your preferred temperature throughout your entire shave. Once the razor is turned on, you can shave with it as you would with any other razor. You can use your preferred shaving gel or shaving cream, and you can shave at the sink or in the shower, whichever you prefer, since the razor is 100% waterproof. It features Gillette's best shaving technology with 5 anti-friction blades, a flex disc to adapt to your contours, and a trimmer blade on the back to help get tricky spots. The cartridges change out easily, like any other razor, so you can ensure your blades are always sharp. To eject the cartridge, you just slide the eject button forward, not down. You can see that the warming bar is attached to the handle, and it fits through this technology delivery port on the cartridge. To attach a new cartridge, you line up the warming bar on the handle with a port in the cartridge and press firmly until you hear a click. When you first open the product, you'll need to activate it before you can use it for the first time. To do so, you plug the smart plug into the charging dock like this and set the razor on the charging stand. It will activate within an hour and needs just 6 hours for a full charge.
At Braun, we believe in the power of good design. We recognise that men are shaving more freely than ever, anytime and anywhere, which is why we designed the new Series 9 Pro, the world's most efficient and exceptionally gentle shaver, now even better, providing an efficient and gentle shave in every stroke. After 1, 3, or even 7 days without shaving. The new Pro Lift trimmer, part of the 5 synchronized shaving elements, has been completely redesigned. Using advanced 3D technology, we've achieved an exceptionally thin form to lift and cut more hair in every stroke. Titanium coating for its strength and durability. And to give ultimate control, we've reinvented the precision switch. It quickly locks the flexible head in position to catch even the last hair with ease. The new Series 9 Pro with Pro Lift trimmer and precision switch. Good design in every detail.
Braun, designed for what matters.